Good day, statue collectors. I am once again giving you another review of another statue. This statue is, of course, the marble black cat, one of my favorites. So stay tuned, and we'll get right to that review. Well, here we go. First off, I wanted to start on the art box of the black cat. Give you a close up of the art box here. Here we go, the black cat. This is one of my favorite art boxes, and this is from Sideshow. As you can see, Sideshow logo. Here we go. Here we go indeed. Going up, up we go. There we go. Here. And get the box that'll spin around so you can see their artwork. See, they've got the black cat on here. And yeah, there we go. Very good. Spin it around. And you got the Spiderman logo. There we go. This is by Scott Campbell. You can see right there. It's from Sideshow. Not a lot of work on here. But just on the top here, it's got Camel written on the top. And going down, black cat again. Go. Yeah. And then we'll scroll over to the black cat. There she is in all her beauty. This is my favorite of all. This is actually one of my first statues. This is an exclusive statue. She has a little cat that comes with her. I'll give you a spin around here and show you. Now, as you can see, this I can just take out this piece, and the cat. She's got a little cat. The cat goes in there. Yeah. I had a little accident one day, and I dropped my cat and split the cat. The cat's tails got split. Clean cut, but I was managed to glue it together and repair it, and now it's all good. So I'm happy about that. So yeah, I'll give that black cat little spin around so you can see. There you go. There you go. Oh, there you go. Lovely piece, just lovely, just lovely. As you can see, the little shading that they've used. There we go. Lovely, lovely piece. The shading over here is a little darker, going down here. Honestly, just great, just awesome. Turn around. Just awesome, yeah, I just love it. She is one of my favorites, my all-time favorite female supervillains. She kind of plays the bad guy and the good guy at the same time. So there's just there. Go. He's got the Spiderman ball of yarn. A little bit of backstory on her. When I used to look on a Sideshow and think I would never ever be able to afford any of this, and so I forgot the idea. And then one day, got the money to think, hey, maybe I can actually do this. And then when I went to Sideshow and tried to find her, they were sold out and wasn't making her anymore. So I ended up finding her on eBay, and luckily the person that was on eBay was just, she was so new, all they did was just open her up. And the reason why they were selling her is because they wanted the entire Spider-Man line, but they couldn't find it, or it was too expensive, so they just sold her. So yeah. So that's the Black Cat. Loving the Black Cat. Oh, she's so awesome. I do have another Black Cat on order. Excuse me. That is very cool. Yeah. And I do have a Spider-Man and Mary Jane statue on order too. That won't be for a while coming yet, but I'm still waiting on that. So, give you another little close-up. Here we go. She's awesome. She's totally awesome. So if you liked this and you want to see more, let me know. Please subscribe and leave comments down below, and like. Thank you very much. And just before I go, I'll give you another view of what she looks like here, so you get her all in her glory. But I think this is a lovely piece. I really do. Oh yeah, and just before I go, I've got to show you the bottom of the box. Just go back to the box again. There we go. Oops, sorry. Here we go. Here we go. There we go. So, since 1750. There we go. So yeah. I see. I think they got it written in backwards. Let's just put the box back over. Yeah, there we go. Yeah. So there we go. So 1750 of her made. So yeah. And just to show you a picture of the Black Cat again. There we go. She's a lovely character. I love her. She's awesome. And Black Cat, yeah. So, like I said, if you like, please subscribe, and I'll be reviewing more Black Cat statues and any kind of statues as they come in. And so there you go. Yeah. Okay. And I will see you later. Thank you, and everybody have a nice day.